Good afternoon, everybody. I am currently in Camarines in the Philippines, and I want to share with you guys the voyage. Now, most tourists never come here. They don't see the raw Philippines. They only go to the tourist destinations. Now, for me, it's important to show everybody how the Philippines is. So yes, guys, this is Camarines, and we're gonna start our journey here from a beach resort. I'm gonna take a walk through to the town, and I'm gonna share my experience with you. I'm gonna share the town, the voyage with you. Guys, let's do it. Remember, take your hickey. It's so hot here, you need it. You guys, let's take a walk. This is a resort, as you can see over here. It's quite beautiful. It's not peak season, so there's not a lot of people. It's quite empty at the moment, but still absolutely amazing. As you can see over there, there's like a little hut where people can stay. This is quite interesting. You can come up here and you can actually go up here and you can go sit on top there, take a nap, whatever you want to do. Yes, quite amazing. Okay, so I'm about to exit and now I'm going to go to the main road that will take me to Camarines. Bye bye, thank you. In Camarines, doing some construction work over there. Obviously, bikes everywhere. Fixing the roads. Very nice. I don't enjoy to go to the tourist destinations where everybody goes. It's not my thing, and I enjoy to share with everybody the untouched, pure Philippines in a raw format. I mean, this is why people are watching, is to see a country. Everybody is friendly in the Philippines. Okay, so if you come here, especially in the villages, you can buy film. And there. So yes, if you stop here with your tricycle, with your motorbike, you can buy film. It's not expensive. It's 64 pesos, so it's $1 something cents. I'm not sure, but I won't do the currency exchange. But yes, not expensive at all. And everybody seems to do it that way, so for me that was an odd thing to see. Okay, so I've reached Camarines. Camarines in the Philippines, in the Bicol region, which is, for me by far, the best. The people are good. You can see local transport to commute. It's quite easy to get around. It's not expensive. There's another tricycle, van. One thing that I must share with everybody is the power situation in the Philippines. Look at this. There is wires everywhere. Even like excess wire hanging there. Look at this, guys. I don't know how electricians work in this country because there's wires everywhere. You can see getting more busy. But shops everywhere, bikes, more people. Doing some construction. Nice, guys. It's too hot. Let's get out of the sun. You must be born here to be able to work in this heat. So guys, have a good one. Okay. I don't know how people can work in this heat. Now, we just crossed this road here. I want to show you guys how they make bricks in the Philippines. Okay, look at this. Now, you can come here and you can actually order bricks from these guys and they won't deliver it for you. And they make it right here. No fencing, no nothing, and nobody takes it. Nobody steals it, which is very special actually. As you can see, there's the bricks. It's 13 peso for one, so it's only a few cents. Look at this. I won't come order some bricks for my bonding project, and they transport it in this. How amazing. It's a tricycle that's like a van. It's got everything in it. Okay, I'm gonna head out now, and I'm gonna get into town central. Some chickens, obviously. They do cockfighting here, so everybody has one. Okay, there's the bakery. Let's go. Get ourselves some pan de coco. So the useless bread that you can buy. And this is the bakery. Musaka. Aha. Now this is my shop. How are you? Pan de coco? Macano? 5. Everything is 5 peso. Yesterday there was no pan de coco, so I know it's fresh. Okay. I won't definitely have some. Give me 2 pan de coco, please. Pan de coco. This is so good. I enjoy the pan de coco.
Thank you po.
Alright, salamat po. Okay, now let's go to the seaside and enjoy our pan de coco. Okay, I'm almost at the seaside. Been through the town, but it was so busy I just had to put my camera away. But now I'm gonna try the pan de coco. I've had it a long time ago and it was very good. So yeah, just have a snack. I'm gonna show you guys the beach side. Okay guys, let's try this pan de coco. Okay, let's try this guys. This is Philippines bread. It's a bread with coconut inside. They call it pan de coco. Let's try it. Wow, this is good. Coconut with sugar. Well, I think it's sugar because it's sweet. Very good. Now this is amazing. Pan de coco bread. Whenever you come to the Philippines, you must try this. How good is it to have a snack and have this view on the fishing boats? Even your own boat on the ocean there. Probably going out to fish now, I'm not sure. Yeah guys, it's hot here, you have to bring some water. Yes, see, that's one annoying dog, yeah. Okay, so we finished our pan de coco. I think now we can head back. Like and subscribe. And I'm gonna show you guys whatever you wanna see. Put it in the comments. We can share this. The children are so fascinated when they see you. Because I'm a foreigner, they do enjoy to see me. How are you, man? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed what I showed you today. If you want to see more, write in the comments what you want to see. I won't be happy to go out and show you guys. But if you ever come to the Philippines, don't shy away from visiting the villages. This is where you're gonna find the true people, and you're gonna see how good they are, how open-minded, how welcoming they can be.